So this is going to be a little hard to prove, but allow me to show. So this is the Booty Beach. As you can see, it's old, slot the plex. And here you can see there's the large graphics card, and here you can see the much smaller graphics card. And so you got two HDMI ports connected to the same computer. So you've got an HDMI port connected to the first computer, HDMI port connected to the second graphics card. And then you'll see that they both go into the same monitor. So you've got this TV here. So two displays connect to the same TV. So it can display both. And so the computer's on, but the virtual machine is off. And I'll show that right now. I don't know how well this is going to boot back up. Okay, so the machine's turned off. This is the first time I've turned this thing off, so it's a funny quirk. I wonder if it's going to work properly after shutdown. So here is hello. Yeah, okay, so here is the Linux distribution. So this is Red Hat. So Cat Etsy OS release. You can see here, this is a Rocky Linux version 9.8. Blah 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 blah. And you see here, this is my user at Sandbox. This is a Linux machine. And if I do a verse list attack all, oh, I have to sudo. See, I have two virtual machines. I'll do a nice way of showing this. So, I have a web server running here on this that kind of gives an overview of the system. So, let's go to virtual machines. You can see here we've got two of them. You've got this kernel dev, and then you've got Maplestory. And Maplestory is the Windows VM, and so right now it's turned off. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch inputs again to that second HDMI input. I'm probably going to pull it out and put it back in. So just reseated the HDMI. Okay, that's hilarious. We'll see how that turns out. And so I'm going to hit run here, and we should see it turn on over here. So, signal. Give it a sec. You can actually kind of see. So here over here is like the actual virtual machine window, but hold on. Here it is, here it is. Boom. So you have Windows on, running on Linux, and it's coming out through the graphics card. And it is, it's just like you're on a normal computer. Like, it's because of the graphics card, it's super smooth. And so this keyboard is actually passed through to it, so I can actually hit this and then log in. 8, 9, right. Boom. And so here I got Steam, so you can see here I have it installed. I don't have my mouse set up here. So I'm going to launch Steam. Hey. See here it's launching. but it's running on Linux. You actually see the virtual machine. So this is Virt Manager over here. So I can do stuff from this computer also. It's much laggier here because it has to go through an internet connection. It's directly connected to my computer through the back here, through the Ethernet port. So you can see this gray port. You can see that gray port over there. Right there. Other. Yeah. And so, yeah, I've got, see, now it's running. Boop. Jesus, dude, this feels like an old YouTube video. Running. CPU at 4. So this thing has a couple of resources. So if I click on this, I'll show you. So it's got 4 gigabytes of RAM, 2 CPUs. So it's basically like a Pentium. It's honestly like the first Windows machine that I first built, the first computer I built. Had 4 gigs of RAM and 2 CPUs, dual core, Pentium like 3.0 whatever, Skylake stuff. And so here's trying to connect to like the graphical server, but it can't. It's Q2 or whatever. But that's just for the online UI. So we come back here, wait for Steam to launch. And
loading user data. Copy.
Yeah, you can already see there's my username and all that good stuff.
Is your username coffee?
Yeah. So it's loading. So it's a GT 730, not the fastest graphics card in the world, but it makes a world of difference running a virtual machine. It's actually crazy.
GT 730.
And we are in the store right now, so I don't have the mouse, so I'm gonna do it from here until I get that worked out. I've got another mouse here that I can pair via Bluetooth. I'm gonna use that, but I haven't done it. But yeah, that one doesn't work. But where is it? Library. So you can see here Maplestory. You can see that it is playable. So it's installed. I have not launched it yet, so I will see about that. Yeah. So, I'll launch it. It's first time live. We'll do it live. Launch from there. We'll see if it starts. Don't press the button. So don't press the button.
Sorry. Ooh. Why'd you tell?
This game takes a long time to launch, so maybe not the best choice of game. Hey, babe.
What are you talking about?
The camera. Yep, we got the Nexon launcher. Well, I'll have to go through this later, but oh, never mind. Oh, it crashed. Womp womp. So close. What are you doing? Stop. Okay, well, I guess this is as far as I get. Probably some Windows nonsense.